Tired of your CPU running hotter than Hades in a heat wave? You're not alone. But before you toss that bad boy in the freezer, there's a simple fix that could have your PC running cooler than a cucumber in a Siberian snowstorm. I'm talking about thermal paste, baby. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one will unleash the icy fury of Valhalla on your CPU's fiery pits? That's where I come in. I've been testing and comparing the hottest, or should I say coolest, thermal pastes of 2023 to find the absolute best one for you. Number 1. Prolimatech PK3 Nano Aluminum. The Prolimatech PK3 is indeed a thermal compound known for its balance between performance and ease of use. It typically contains aluminum particles and zinc oxide, contributing to its thermal conductivity. As you mentioned, it competes closely with liquid metal compounds in certain tests and is recognized for its stability, ease of application, and simple cleanup. For users seeking a reliable thermal paste for CPU applications without the complexities associated with liquid metal, the Prolimatech PK3 is a suitable choice. If you have any specific questions or if there's anything else you'd like to know, feel free to ask. Number 2. Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut. Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut is known for its non-conductive nature, making it safe to use on electronics without the risk of short circuits. Its application is relatively straightforward, and it's appreciated for its stability, which prevents it from running or dripping during use. System builders often choose Kryonaut for applications where high-performance thermal paste is needed, such as in overclocking scenarios or for ensuring efficient heat transfer in high-end cooling setups. Number 3. Cooler. MasterGel Pro V2. MasterGel Pro V2 is a thermal compound that fits the traditional criteria for thermal paste, featuring attributes like a moderately thick and pliable viscosity. Its good stability upon application makes it easy to work with, apply, and clean up. However, it's worth noting that specific details about the individual ingredients in the compound are not typically provided in technical spec sheets. Many thermal compounds, including MasterGel Pro V2, are formulated with a combination of materials such as various polymers, metal oxides, and sometimes micronized metals like aluminum or zinc oxide. The exact formulation can be proprietary, and manufacturers often focus on promoting the overall performance and usability of the thermal paste rather than detailing the specific ingredients. Number 4. Arctic MX5. Arctic MX5 is a thermal compound introduced as an enthusiast-grade solution, featuring a new formulation based on carbon microparticulates in what is assumed to be a silicon or silicone base. This compound is designed for effective heat transfer between processors and heatsinks or coolers, catering to the needs of users seeking high thermal performance. The slight blue tint and smooth, viscous consistency of MX5, similar to thin toothpaste, make it user-friendly for application and cleanup. Its more fluid consistency allows for smooth and fast spreading during cooler tension, contributing to ease of use. However, it's important to note that, like some other thermal compounds, MX5 can be prone to dripping and running if applied on vertical surfaces. Number 5. NAB Cooling NB Max Pro. NB Max Pro is described as a smooth and creamy non-conductive thermal paste designed for effective heat transfer between processors and heatsinks or coolers. The characteristics of this paste, including its smooth texture and non-conductive nature, make it suitable for users who value ease of application and cleanup. The paste's ability to flow well during tensioning contributes to a user-friendly experience, and its simple application process may appeal to those who prioritize convenience. Additionally, the product's cost and price-performance ratio per gram are mentioned as positive attributes, making it potentially attractive to users looking for good value. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I appreciate your support.